Hey guys, so I reached 100 subscribers at the beginning of May. I was going to Disney World at the time, so I couldn't make a video saying thank you so much to the people who subscribe to me, watch my videos, anyone who supports me. You mean the world to me, I really appreciate it. And as a special, I wanted to show you guys how to play a drinking game that me and my friends made in Klamath Falls, Oregon, called Battle Dice, or Beer Dice, whatever you want to call it. I think Beer Dice is probably better, but yeah. Oh yeah, and it's also my birthday today, so if you want to give me a birthday present, feel free to subscribe. You don't have to, but I really would appreciate it if you did. Anyway, on to Beer Dice. It's a fairly simple game to play. All you need is alcohol and two 20-sided dice. You can technically have more people, you would just add your numbers together, but yeah, it's generally played between two people. So the rules are pretty simple. You roll your dice, and whoever has the higher roll wins. So the loser would take a drink of their beverage. I would recommend beer because if you do hard alcohol, you're going to get shit-faced pretty quick. And generally in D&D, if you roll a 20, that's really good for you, and if you roll a 1, that's really bad for you. That kind of idea rolls over to here. Unintended, and if you roll a 20, it means that the other person has to take a shot. And if you roll a 1, it means you have to take a shot. So it's possible that you could roll a 20 and your opponent rolls a 1, and that would mean they would have to take 2 shots. And there's also an additional rule which I came up with recently called Blackjack. If the numbers combined add up to 21, you can call Blackjack, which causes the other person to have to take a shot. So hypothetically, you could have 3 shots taken in one round, which would be completely devastating, and I would probably quit, but even if you quit, you have to finish the drinks in which you essentially bet during the game. So yeah, I'm going to be drinking Coors Light during this. If you guys want to play along, you always can. And aside from that, I don't have any shots, but I do have these little, they're like, I don't know, little 3% little alcoholic drinks, which I will just chug one of them in representation of a shot. Sorry, I would do shots, but they really fuck with me. I got alcohol poisoning really bad one time, and it just, whenever I drink hard alcohol, I get sick. So, yeah. The whole idea behind this is I'm just going to show you how to play the game. I don't intend on getting fucking completely destroyed. But yeah, we'll see what the dice do, and you know, if I run out of alcohol, I'll just call it quits there, and you know, if I'm feeling good about it, I might keep going. Who knows? Oh, I forgot to mention, if you roll snake eyes, that you have to drink that many gulps. It doesn't apply to 20s and 1s, but if you both rolled 19, you would have to drink 19 gulps of your beer. And all that means is you can take tiny gulps, it doesn't have to be crazy. This means that your esophagus goes up around that many times. You know, just make sure that you're drinking the number that is rolled. And yeah, with that being said, I've got my beer here, which it expired in November 2020, but it tastes fine. Yeah, it's fine. All right, so here we go. I will be the left dice, and you guys can be the right. All right, so for the first roll, you guys have to drink. Okay, that's fucked up, but okay. So I rolled a 1, which means I have to drink this entire little strawberry daiquiri. And I'm just going to continue drinking that. Whenever you guys lose, I'll just keep it going, because I'm not very good at chugging. Okay, so I lose again. No way! Fuck, okay. Gosh, so, okay, I've got 2 shots so far. Keep that in mind. Okay, you guys have to drink. Oop. Are you fucking kidding me? Guys, I only have 3 fucking little... You've already given me my max amount of shots, and the game has barely even started. So you can see how you could get pretty fucked up. Fuck. Alright. 1 down. Now, I've got these other blue ones, but they're coconut. It's fucking disgusting. What are they? Calypso Coladas. Oh, actually, that's pretty good. That's not bad. Alright, so I'm up to 3 shots. I'll keep fucking drinking. Hopefully I don't get any more shots. Okay. You guys have to take a shot now. Okay, so I lose. Oh, I forgot to mention that, you know, if Blackjack is rolled, just for this particular instance, it's kind of cheating if I call Blackjack, and I would normally give you the benefit of the doubt, but I've already reached my shot limit, so we're just going to say Blackjack doesn't apply. Okay, so you guys lose, so you have to drink. I haven't drank in a long time, too. My tolerance is probably real. Okay. So, we rolled snake eyes, so we have to drink 8 gulps. Oof. Thanks for playing, guys. This has been fun. No, just kidding. I'm gonna keep going. But I need to keep the dice going. Okay, so you guys have to take a gulp. I've got my boom arm here, so I'm trying to navigate it. Okay, so I have to drink. Okay, so I'm up to 4 shots. Just keep the tally going. Dude, you guys are... You're fucking destroying me right now. You're so good at this game. Fuck. Okay, good. I was gonna be like... I was confused. You have to take a shot? Gosh, I don't want to get drunk at fucking 11 o'clock. Okay, so you guys have to take a gulp. Oh, and that was 21, so you would have called Blackjack, hypothetically. Alright, so I have to take a gulp. Wow. I can already tell that I'm gonna be fucking, like, fucked up very shortly. So, I'm gonna have to take a piss. Okay. Ah. Ooh. Okay. Well, you guys have to take a shot. So, how many is that? Or it's like 2 or 3. I haven't been keeping count, but dang. Like, to have that many shots in this short amount of time. This is a game that if people are playing beer pong or flip cup and there's not enough room, it's a perfect game that you're just like, you're in the sidelines, you might be next to the chips and dip counter. I went off into a weird tangent, so I'm just gonna keep drinking. Dude, I don't want to do 4 shots, please. Okay. Keep it going. Hopefully it's just beers. Okay, you guys have to take a gulp. All right. That is 3 shots. I have almost finished this course. And gosh. You know what? I'm just gonna assume that the rest of this is approximately one of those little, what are these even called? Seagram's escapes. Okay, I'm just gonna finish the rest of this and we'll call it. But okay, so I lose. Oh my. 5 shots. Oh no. Okay, well, normally I would be obligated to keep drinking, but it's 11:21 and I don't want to get fucked up for my birthday, you know, at least not this early. So I'm gonna have to call it there, guys, but that's a good example on what beer dice would be like. And yeah, I just want to say I really appreciate you guys. You motivate me to keep going, and hopefully I can reach 1,000 subscribers because I want to get paid for doing this, and it'll really incentivize me to put a lot more time, energy, resources into YouTube, and I just want to make good content for you guys. And you know, at the end of the day, I want you to be happy. I want me to be happy, and I want us all to be happy. But yeah, so happy birthday, Jake. And if you have a happy birthday coming up, happy birthday to you. And if it passed, sorry. But yeah, love you guys. Fucking awesome. If I had you all in a gymnasium, I would buy you all fucking pizza. Would probably be Little Caesars because pizza for 100 people is fucking expensive. Just like, that'd be like $5,000, you know? Okay, well, in this hypothetical situation, I'd buy you the good pizza. But no drinks. No, just kidding. I would buy 2 liters too, I guess, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, I just really appreciate you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Take care. Sayonara. Bye-bye. See ya.